Hello, this is the Plumber in Brooklyn. We offer Brooklyn plumbing and plumbing repair services in all of Brooklyn. We're open 24 hours a day. All you have to do is call 888-214-7090 to schedule an in-house, free, no obligation estimate. Again, we service all types of fixtures and appliances for your home, starting with toilets and bidets installation and repair, faucets, showers, sinks, tubs, instant hot garbage disposals, water heaters, ice makers, dishwashers, sewers and clogged drains. Just give us a call today. Give us a call at 888-214-7090.